Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. What can I do if Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration? Before going into the fixes, try these quick tricks. Make sure that the security type on your PC matches the one set by your router, because sometimes IP configuration failure can be caused by your security type. To do that, open your router settings page and check what type of security is used. While in the router settings, ensure the Wi-Fi PMF protected management frame setting is disabled. It's not available on every router, but disabling it should work for the ones where you find the setting. If these solutions didn't help, move to the ones listed next. Method first, press Windows +X and choose Device Manager. Locate your wireless device, right-click it, and choose Uninstall Device. If available, check the Attempt to remove the driver for this device box and click Uninstall. Finally, restart your PC. Windows 10 will automatically install the default wireless driver after the restart. If the default driver works well, you can continue using it, but if there are any problems, you might have to download and install the latest driver. Method second, reset TCP/IP. Search for CMD and click on Run as administrator to open command prompt with administrative privileges. Click Yes in the UAC prompt, paste the commands individually and hit Enter after each. Lastly, close command prompt and restart your PC. Remember that if you use a static IP address, you'll have to set it again. So if the previous commands didn't work, you might want to try these commands as well. Method third, change the wireless SSID and password. It was reported that you could fix the Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration hotspot error by accessing your modem and changing the wireless SSID and password. To do that, you'll have to connect your PC to your modem using the Ethernet cable, access your modem and change the wireless SSID and password. For more details on how to do that, we strongly suggest you check your modem's manual. Method fourth, set the channel width to auto. Press Windows +X and select Network Connections from the menu. Right-click your wireless connection and choose Properties from the menu. Click the Configure button. Go to the Advanced tab, locate 800 to 0.11 in channel width for band to 0.4, and set it to auto. Finally, click OK to save changes. Method fifth, set your IP address manually. Press Windows +X and choose Network Connections. Right-click your wireless network and choose Properties from the menu. Select Internet Protocol version for TCP, IPv4 and click the Properties button. Select the Use the following IP address option and enter the values presented in the image in the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway fields. You might have to enter different data. Lastly, click the OK button. Method 6, perform a clean boot. Press the Windows +R, type misconfig, and then press Enter. Choose Selective Startup and uncheck Load Startup Items. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and click the Disable All button. Go to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Right-click each item on the list configured to launch at startup, then choose Disable. Now, go back to the System Configuration window, and click Apply and OK to save the changes. Finally, restart your computer. Method 7th, make sure that DHCP is turned on. Press Windows +R to open the Run command, enter ncpa.cpl in the text field, and hit Enter. Locate your network adapter, right-click it, and choose Diagnose. Problems with Wi-Fi IP configuration can prevent you from accessing the internet, but we hope you managed to fix this problem after using one of our solutions. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.